Oh, it's the side profile for me. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I feel so good today. So if I have like a lot of energy, that's why. Today has been a good day. Please ignore my background. I am moving. A lot has been going on. I know y'all can click on this video for all that, so you about to just get right into it. I've already slicked my hair back. Slick it back into a low bun, y'all. I have been asleep. Like, my mom swears by this gel, and it is by I Am Blessed Hands Unicorn Snot. Please, y'all, I have, like, when I tell y'all I have type 4 hair, and I did not need a scarf. I literally put this on my hair. It dries really quick. It claims it's sweat and humidity proof. It has impeccable hold, no flaking for all hair types, and fast drying. All of this is facts. Of course, this is not sponsored. This wasn't sent to me, nothing like that. We paid, my mama paid for this with her own money, but I so highly recommend it. Now, if you have finer hair, you probably don't need something that's like crazy hold as this, unless you're going for like some type of slick ponytail. But like the type of hair that I have, I for sure need like real heavy thick. Not that this is a heavy thick product, it is very thick, but the hold on this is crazy. Like, I had to tell somebody about this. If you got my type of hair, please, I did not have to use a scarf, y'all. Like, I literally, anyways. All right, this is a better angle. I told y'all I'm moving, just ignore that. Let's get into the video now. So I just slicked my hair back into a low bun, like I said, with the Blessed Hands Unicorn Snot Amazing Bomb product. Gonna be trying a headband wig by Julia Hair. So thank you so much, Julia Hair, for sending me this wig, and they've been super patient with me. Like, I really appreciate y'all. I have not forgot about y'all. And it's 16 inches, super cute box. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what the wig looks like, what you get inside your box. So you get your wig in a bag. So I'm literally lit. I need to calm down. And I was drinking some coffee that might be adding to it. So here's the wig, you guys, in its bag. And I forget, I think I have deep wave. This is some type of curl. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I did receive some lashes, which was super nice of them. I received 2 wig caps, and I received this really super cute headband. Super cute. They give you another headband option, and looks like they actually give you another one inside the pack. I'm super excited. I know the headband wigs have been pretty popular, especially during this quarantine time and during this whole lace shortage. So this is a really cute one as well. So they gave me 2 headbands, and then here's the wig. It comes inside of your neck. Y'all let me know how y'all like this style better than my other videos if you are a returning subscriber. By the way, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below this video anytime you feel like you liking a video. There's paper inside, and then here is the wig. Oh, the hair is soft. Straight out the package, the hair is really soft, and I love this curl pattern. It's kind of like a tight curl. Super pretty, and just I think it's gonna blend nice with my hair. I'm hoping it will. And this headband is nice too that they have on there. Super stretchy and breathable. I guess I can show y'all the inside of the wig construction. I don't know what that was, just came off, but this is the inside of the wig. So there's no lace, of course, just a headband wig, and then they do include the 1 big clip up top, and then you also get another one on the bottom, and then you get your headband, which you can just adjust in the back with Velcro. So you can adjust how tight you want it. This is gonna be a super easy install because it's no lace, y'all. So this install requires no glue, no hold and spray, no nothing. So that's what I got going on. I'm about to be ready to install this. It's basically, with these headband wigs, it's basically a half wig. I don't know if y'all familiar with those, but back in the day, like, I know my mama used to rock them a lot. That's basically what this is. It's just a half wig. So I'm inserting 1 comb. I'm not a big fan of combs. Like, when I put on regular wigs, I never use the comb. And I hope my bun ain't too big back here. I could have put this further back if I wanted to. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this in a ponytail so I can fix the back up. I really love the curl pattern on this wig, by the way. Super pretty. And these wigs I've seen are very versatile. I did do my research on these wigs, as y'all can tell. And that actually feels really secure. Once you secure this band, it feels really snug and secure. I feel like this wig ain't going nowhere. Like, I really could have made my little bun in the back, like literally I could have made that into a braid. Okay, I think I like this length. It's kind of weird because I guess they layered it. I honestly think with this layered look that it would be cuter if I would just put it in a ponytail, literally. That's just the vibe that I'm getting automatically from the way that it's falling. But the wig is literally on, y'all. I cannot believe that is like the fastest I've ever installed a wig, because hello, literally, like, that just took me seconds. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all can see how it's like layered. It's like this short, I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Layers, and with the length, okay, let's try a different headband and maybe pushing this headband back a little bit. I'll try the colorful one just for the sake of, because they sent it to me. Of course, it doesn't go with this shirt that I got on at all. And just see what she's giving. Okay, this is cute. No, the headband is really cute, actually. I don't know, maybe I need to fluff the curls. I don't know. I'm trying to just work with it, y'all. Maybe that's it. It needs to be like combed out. I'm just finger combing it. Oh, let's see. Okay, flip over. Okay. And by the way, like I said, their hair is really soft. I really love the quality of the hair. I do like that about these wigs. Like, you're getting the same quality of hair as far as human hair goes. It's just no lace. I love this hair and this like curl pattern. So pretty. I know I done said that a couple times, but okay, I got a little flip over going. I think you just gotta play with it until you get it, you know, looking how you want it to look. Yeah, I think once I do my makeup, because first of all, can we talk about my skin? Like, my skin is giving. She's giving right now. But I feel like once I do a beat, maybe with some lashes, change my shirt. This is a cute little wig. And I think it would be even cuter in a longer length. But I think so far, she's super duper cute. Definitely growing on me. I'm gonna try a different headband, like one of my own, just to give it a different vibe. I'm gonna put on a headband, maybe a headband that would actually match the shirt. One of these big ones, y'all know the big trendy headbands. Let's see. Okay, I think the pink is giving. Can we talk about my freaking edges? Like, this product, do y'all see that? They're not going anywhere. Like, I'm literally scratching. Okay, yeah, it's the headband for me. Like, I think this just gave it a whole new little, I think it's cute. Okay, y'all, now that I done fluffed it out and like put on a different headband, it's giving me like fresh face, natural. This is giving me like, this is a wig that you definitely could just throw on. I love that it's so easy to install. Literally, now this is a beginner friendly wig if I've ever seen one. If you just gonna run to the store real quick, throw this on. If you were gonna run to the gym real quick, throw this on. Like 1, 2, 3 and the wig is done, you know. And you don't have to try hard at all. You don't have to use any glues, any sprays, anything, any gel or anything. Lay this wig down, and I feel like it's versatile. Like, I can do a little flip over method. I can just wear her back if I wanted to. Oh, it's the side profile for me. I'll have the exact texture of this wig in the description box, of course, but on the screen I'll have the details and the links and all of that to this wig in the description box below. All right, y'all, so I did a quick little beat. Well, quick to y'all, not quick to me, because I had to do these lashes. I just kept this headband. And yeah, y'all, this is basically the finished look. Went with a natural beat. But yes, overall, I love this hair. Definitely recommend. Super beginner friendly. Thank you so much, Julia Hair, for sending me this wig. And yeah, I'll have all the details, information, links, all of that in the description box below. And yeah, if you liked it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. We're not gonna talk about it.
Never asked was you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. No, I never had to let you go to the club, but your boys say